If you look at somebody that I'm praying for and you witness a miracle, that very moment, something is happening into your own body. What is she saying? Huh? Muruda kupora mama.
She's saying,
I believe I've arrived at my bedside. This is my moment.
Zvizva musingagone kuita mama. Zvizva musingagone kuita. Sei makarara ipapa. Hamuchakwanisa kusumuka. Mune nguva yakadii zvakadai so? 3 weeks makangodai. Hanzi musana wakaita sei? Okay, it's arthritis ripapai. Okay, nema ulcers again. Be healed.
See how she responds to the power of God. See how she responds to the power of God.
Life. 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 Make a seat. Walk. Walk. Look at that. Whoa! For the first time.
People of God, this is unbelievable.
Walk. Walk.
People of God, in her own words, she was saying, she cannot stand. She could not stand.
Look at that.
How do you explain this,
Look
people?
at that.
How do you explain
She can't
this?
sit. Talk of walking.
People of God, if you look at her hand, she's got a cannula. She was in hospital, this lady.
She was
The
in hospital.
family took her from hospital to this place.
Okay.
God is in this house, people of God. He is in this house.
Okay. Notice something. Why did I start with her?
Say ndatanga navo.
Ask that question.
Zvibvunze.
Why did I start with her?
Say ndatanga navo.
Be seated.
Garai
She was ready for me.
pasi.
You could see.